everything for me. Okay. Okay.
He's the alpha of this very fruit.
Aqua means that he's the
Yes,
father.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You don't actually struggle with them when you want to see them. Just have to relax.
Relax.
And then gather the courage. Be patient.
No, the relaxing thing is not working for me because.
Yes, and there's a way you have to hold bananas. Huh?
Okay.
You have to actually hold it firmly like this. Yeah, no, just keep still.
Okay.
It is cool. And
okay, I think I'm doing well now. Okay. Yeah, so this is my first round.
As it's eating, you are listening to it.
Okay, bit by bit. I think I'm doing well.
Good.
Yeah, so far. Okay, I did well. Okay. Great.
Yes, and also,
it's a project.
like I have two on me.
Yeah, I can see two.
Probably if I should strike my wife these days, I could have
twins. Oh, okay. If this is what it's going to take me to have twins, trust me, I'm not ready to do this. But I had one experience and I can't stop shaking. But let's talk about this place.
Yes.
How long have this place been existing? Like, it's a beautiful place. I don't know. Look at the trees, everything, monkeys, everything. How long have this place been in existence?
Yes, actually, this place is a virgin place. It has. You see, we may have things in here.
Okay. This twins agenda is becoming scary.
Yes, it's a virgin forest. You are seeing it has not been tempered with before. It actually existed ages before our forefathers got here.
Okay.
And we are on this very land. Close to 1,400 years now.
1,400 years?
Yes.
Okay, so these monkeys have been existing 1,400 years?
Yes, exactly. They've been existing before our forefathers came here.
Okay.
You know, our forefathers, before they came here, they were first in a place we call Atome. And Atome is found in today's Ghana, the central region of today's Ghana.
Oh, okay.
And that is where actually our forefathers stayed for a very long period.
Okay.
The people of Tafi are ones. We are not Aves.
Okay.
And it happened that, those days there wasn't any other religion apart from everyone being a traditionalist.
Okay.
They had soothsayers, they had, who foresaw the future of the people. They heard the messages that God carried and interpreted them to the people.
Okay.
So it happened that one afternoon when the soothsayer was taking a nap, then all of a sudden a message came to him, telling him to tell the people to leave that place for a place where they could see these very monkeys.
Oh, okay.
Where the gods would like the people to stay permanently with the monkeys and live there forever. But the God said they have things to do in common with these very monkeys.
Okay. So if I'm getting you, that means the monkeys were here and you people were in that thing.
Exactly.
So that means you are the only qualified people who can take care of this monkey.
Yes. Well, because the gods had
I think I'm enjoying
spiritual
it now.
issues with the monkeys.
Okay.
So the gods told them they should get there. The people, by obeying the gods, packed everything up here.
Okay.
And they continued. I mean, they embarked on this journey. There wasn't even a bicycle then.
Okay.
They had to trek. They wandered about for 50 solid years.
So they were trekking for 50 years from Asin to this place.
They would make temporary settlements on their way when they were short of food and meat items. They would,
I think I got a cat.
They would conduct some farm activities for a few months after they had harvested enough. Then they continued.
Okay.
So this process continued until actually they came by a river down that we call River Dine.
Okay, so in the forest?
No, it's about 5 kilometers away from here.
Okay.
When they came by this river, it was so flooded that the people could not know how to swim across it. For they were moving with aged ones, pregnant women, little ones who could not swim across it.
Okay.
Whilst they were pondering how to cross this very river, to their surprise, they realized this very huge python. Huge log lying across it.
Okay, across the river.
Yes, then they decided to walk on it across. And as everybody walked across, they turned their back, only to realize this huge log turning into a python. are very mysterious, but they continued for the next 5 kilometers when they came by this.
And they didn't even bother to go back to check if they are safe. Did they run?
No, it was just disappearing into the water.
Yeah.
So, well, they gathered courage. They continued for the next 5 kilometers when they came by this vicinity. When they arrived here, the people actually said no. They wouldn't continue with the walk anymore.
Okay.
But they were tired of walking. They have walked way too long. They saw this very huge forest here. They realized the soil of the land here was fertile enough to support the kind of crops they grew.
Okay.
And that the grove, the forest would have been housing a lot of animals that would gain on. So they began, pursuing the soothsayer. This time the soothsayer who actually landed them on the land is by name Ojokele.
Ojokele?
Yes.
Meaning what?
Ojokele actually is a name given to a young man from the community who the gods appointed to be
the leader,
to be the priest of the shrine they brought here. So then they were pursuing him to let them stay here. They wouldn't like to continue anymore. Most of them, they don't know actually what brought them here. So, well, the Ojokele then took the gods and went to put them in a portion of the grove. And just after a while, they began seeing these monkeys moving over the deities. They saw python again surrounding the gods. They saw tortoise also surrounding the gods. Now, because the people actually they were not there, most of them were not there when the revelation was made before they started the journey. They began asking why these animals surrounding their gods. Then Ojokele had to consult the oracles. He did, and the gods told him to tell the people that the monkeys, the gods promised the people ages back. Those were the monkeys. And that spiritually, these monkeys were ahead of the people all the way from Atome to this place. Without the people knowing. Yeah. So they were actually leading their way for them towards this place.
Okay.
Yes. And then the gods, according to them, the monkeys were protectors spiritually to the people of Tafi.
Oh, okay.
The python they saw surrounding the gods said it was the same one that saved them by crossing the river to this place.
Oh, okay.
And then tortoise, as we all know, is a slow-paced moving creature.
Animal.
The gods then said it should be the symbol of the people of Tafi. See, if you should have a friend that is a Tafi, you should take time and watch him or her very well.
Okay.
Almost everything he or she does.
Slow.
We are naturally slow.
Slow as
in doing things.
Patient.
We're very patient people. When we are executing projects and you are with us, sometimes you think we are not serious, you think of leaving us. But I want to tell you that when we are done with our projects, I bet you it is one of the best. There's no way you have to go back and say you want to do rework. Just because we take time
to do your best,
steady, and get our things done well.
Then my president should come from Tafi. Then
Exactly.
you're getting the best. Yeah.
So it may happen one day.
Oh, definitely. It's have to. It's have to happen. Okay, so how many monkeys did they see that night?
When they came, when the people arrived. In fact, they saw a lot. Monkeys per se, the family, they are in families. We call troops. And that they saw a lot. According to the history left behind for us, they saw a whole lot of them. So when the people, after interpretation of these animals to the people, then the gods gave them taboos. In fact, traditional laws to observe in order to protect the grove and the animals. Then as years went by, people began, they began protecting the grove, and the grove began to expand bigger and bigger. The animals began to multiply. This protection continued until 1980.
Before we get into the 1980s, so guys, I'm still there. Okay, and you are still listening to the long history is entertaining. So maybe there's a president coming. I just said that. But 1980, what happened?
1980, actually, Christianity became very, very popular in this community.
Okay.
Christianity used to be there for the past 100 years. But then it wasn't as vibrant as compared to the year 1980. In 1980, Christians decided to make everyone a Christian.
Okay, so we need you to say we want to go for a break.
Okay.
Right? So that after the break, we zoom into what happened during the 1980s and thereafter. Okay. So we are still in Tafi Atome, very interesting conversation, but let's go for a break. We'll be back.
So say that.
Okay.
We are still in.
So guys, we are currently and we are still in Tafi Atome having some good time. I'm having a good time, but let's go for a quick one. When we come back, we'll tell you about 1990. Just don't go anywhere.
1980 actually, so let's take that in.
Atome, and I am having a good time. I hope you're having a good time too. But we just started hearing something about 1980, a history. What happened then? How did it survive? So more is coming up after this break. Just don't go anywhere.
Okay, cool. So